Woohoo! Super Mario Maker 2 is a game on Nintendo Switch where you can make your own Super Mario levels and share your levels around the world. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a good level in Mario Maker. Almost everyone enjoys playing a fun Mario level, and that's why it's fun to make levels for others to enjoy. It would be great to see more good levels out there, and that's why I want to show you how to make a good traditional level that is fun. This mainly applies to Super Mario Maker 2, but it can also work on Super Mario Maker 1 and Mario Maker for the 3DS. To make a great level, all you need is a Mario Maker game and your imagination, as well as a Nintendo Switch. There are 7 steps in making a good level. The first step is to turn on your Nintendo Switch and start Super Mario Maker 2. The second step is to think of what you want your main and sub-elements of your level to be. For this level, it's going to be Goombas riding Koopa Troopas as the main element, and Piranha Plants as a sub-element. The third step is to start making the level. First, build the foundation, or basically cover the bottom of the level with ground tiles. The fourth step is to start making the level better. You should start by placing platforms and blocks with some power-ups inside of them, along with your main and sub-elements, so the level has some spice. For step 5, you should also add some difficulty, like making bottomless pits, platforming in some enemies, but make sure not to spam. For the 6th step, you should add coins to make the level feel more alive. You can also use the coins to guide the player too. Also, you should playtest your level often to see if it's fun and see if there are unfair or overly difficult sections. If possible, get a friend or family member to test your level and give you feedback that you can apply to make the level even better. And also make sure to make your levels well designed and make sure they're fair for the player and not have like just random stuff being thrown at you. Ow! The 7th and final step is to save your level and then name it and possibly post it online. You can also post it to a super world if you want. Now let's play the level. You now have a good Mario Maker level that has been done in 7 steps. Thank you for watching. I hope you try to make a Mario Maker level that is fun, good, and enjoyable too.